Hi, I'm Ras Sadukov. Welcome to 1063 Chapman Street in the beautiful San Jose, California. This character-filled Spanish-style home features 1,300 square feet of living space, which includes 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, and a huge walk-in master closet. It's tastefully renovated throughout, so you can move right in and enjoy everything this home has to offer. I can't wait for you to see the rest of the house, so please join me on this tour and enjoy. Thank you for touring 1063 Chapman Street with me today. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a private viewing, contact me directly. I look forward to seeing you soon.